Red mud and bentonite are similar in composition, and can be reused after combining red mud with Jianjie Group's new binder. After many experiments making by customers, we verified it can completely replace bentonite. At the same dosage, the performance of modified red mud is better than bentonite. At the same time, the iron content of red mud itself is more than 50%, so it will not reduce the iron content of the pellet if it is added into the iron powder pelletizing process. It is also possible to collect iron-containing substances from the red mud by the reduction roasting magnetic separation technology, using the characteristics of the magnetic field. The selected iron powder slurry becomes iron powder after concentration, filtration and dewatering, and then it can be briquetting into briquettes by binder and use in the EAF as a slagging agent and coolant agent instead of scrap steel. If you want to know more ways to reuse red mud, you can also contact us. We will give you the best solution.